Good morning, everyone. My name is Shubh Sharma, and let's start with our pre-market analysis. Now, yesterday the Dow Jones closed around 65 points positive, Nasdaq closed at 371 points positive, and S&P 500 closed at 53 points positive. Now, the whole US market was on a bull run, but still the profit booking came at the end. I remember close to 11:30 p.m. in Indian time, the Dow Jones was up by close to 500 points. But from there, we saw some profit booking. And look at Nasdaq, the IT stocks, Nvidia, Apple, all these stocks, Tesla, all these stocks, some gave relief rally, and they all closed very, very positive. Now, this whole positive sentiment was there in US market was because of the inflation data. So yesterday the inflation data came in US and it was better than in the line, and because of that the US market gained, plus Asian markets. If you look at Asian markets, they all were in positive. So yes, good start, mute start for our Indian market. Now if I talk about exchange Nifty, this is the second continuous day they have bought. They have bought close to 595 crores, and DIA they bought close to 2700 crores. Now, as I said, SDX Nifty showing a gap up opening of close to 70 points. Let's see where the pre-market opens. Now, crude oil, we saw some correction in crude oil, so very positive for crude oil companies. Now, gold is trading flat, and as I said, Asian markets are also mixed to positive. Now, let's talk about our market, Nifty and Bank Nifty. What a volatile session. Now, yesterday, if you remember, and if you have watched my pre-market video, I gave you two trades in two conditions. One trade I gave you that you can buy those dips close to 28,020. Look for buying in Nifty index. And if you would have taken that trade, and that trade was for the risky traders. So risky traders, if you have taken that trade, now you would have captured good moves. But yes, after the second half, the market fell and it closed at 25,880. So, hardly you would have captured 100 and 120 points, but still we saw some good bounce from 28,000 levels. Now the support is 25,800 and resistance is 26,000. And second trade I gave you was to buy about 26,050. That was for safe traders, but that trade didn't trigger, right? So still, I believe 26,050, about 26,050 on futures, a trade is still active, and I will be personally taking the trades. Now, today I am holding that trade. Even I shared it with my community members. So if you can see it right on the left hand side or on the right hand side where it will be. And I shared this with my community member. I told them to buy Nifty calls, and I am also holding. And today gap up opening, we still will hold with cost to cost stop loss. So for the safe traders, buy about 26,050, and for the risky traders, wait. Let's see how this gap up opening will react at higher levels. We can even see profit booking from higher levels or some correction from higher levels. Market structure is yet not convincing to go long in this market. Market structure is still very, very weak. That's what I believe. But look at the market. Yesterday what happened? We were positive, close to 100 points we were up, 120 points we were up. But look at after what happened in second half. Second half again the market fell, right? So this shows that market structure is still very, very weak, and it's not market to go 100% long in this condition. So yes, for me, I still maintain a cautious view. Yes, we can capture this intraday bounce here and there, but for me, convincingly with confident coming and telling that go long, 100% go long in this market is not good for me and for my viewers. So yes, if you trade with, let's say, 5 lots, go ahead with only 2 lots and keep 3 lots as it is. So go ahead only with 2 lots, keep the quantity limited. This is a very weak structure market. Anytime we can see major profit booking, or any time we can see some major correction. So talking about Bank Nifty, closing around 59,074, support is 58,800 and resistance is 59,500. So yes, Nifty looks stronger than Bank Nifty. I'll be personally trading Nifty than Bank Nifty. Now, Bharti Airtel should be on your radar. They have appointed a new CEO MD. So Airtel should be on your radar. Another sectors is IT. I want you to watch IT. IT was outperforming close to 300-400 points. It was positive, and focus on IT. TCS looks very strong in IT, followed by Infosys and Tech Mahindra. So this is it for pre-market. I hope you would have learned a lot. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.